Hello, students. Okay, now let us continue with our journey that we are looking for Mr. Oliver Lutkins with the Bill and this lawyer. So let us find out whether they get the success to locate Mr. Lutkins or not. So we have come till the point where it was a lunchtime and they were discussing about it. So how about something to eat? I suggested, let's go to a restaurant and I will buy you lunch. So here the lawyer suggested to Bill that how about to something to eat, chalo kuch kha lete hain and let's go to the restaurant and I'll buy you lunch. Well, I ought to go home to the wife. I don't care much of these restaurants. Only four of them, and they are all bad. Tell you what we'll do? We'll get the wife to pack up a lunch for us. She won't charge you more than $50, and it would cost you more. And it would cost you more for a greasy meal in a restaurant. And we'll go up to Wade's Hill and enjoy the view while we eat. So here, Bill suggested. To the lawyer that instead of going to any restaurant, we'll go to my wife. She'll pack a lunch for us and she wouldn't charge you much him much, because see because there were only four restaurants in that village, and that too they were all bad according to Bill, and his wife wouldn't charge him much, only $50. And if he had gone to the restaurant, there he had to pay much more for a greasy meal, oily meal in the restaurant. So it was his idea to pack a lunch for both of them, and they would go to Wade's hill पे जाएंगे and they would enjoy their meal over there. I know that Bill's helpfulness to the young fellow from the city was not entirely a matter of brotherly love. I was paying him for his time in the end, and I paid him for 6 hours, including the lunch hour. 6 hours means, listen, for 1 hour, $2 was decided, okay? So according to 6 hours, it becomes $12, and half a dollar for the lunch. Okay, he had to pay. So $12.50 he had to pay to Bill for his journey as well as for the lunch. So in the end, I paid him for 6 hours, including the lunch hour, at what was then a very high price. But he was no more dishonest than I. I charged the whole thing to the firm. So from where he was paying, lawyer was paying from the firm, from the firm itself. But it would have been worth paying him myself to have his presence. So उसे लगा कि मैं खुद क्यों ना पे करूँ, क्योंकि ये बंदा इतना अच्छे से पेश आ रहा है मुझसे, हद से ज़्यादा अच्छा पेश आ रहा है. So his cheerful country wisdom was very refreshing to a country boy like myself who was sick of the city. As we sat on the hilltop looking over the pastures and creek which slipped among the trees, he talked of New Mullen. They sat on the hilltop and this Bill started talking about the beauty of that place. Pastures means green land, green plain. Okay, then further, and painted a picture in words of all the people in it. He noticed everything, but no matter how much he might laugh at people, he also understood and forgave their foolishness. So he started describing people of New Mullen. Who? Bill. He described the minister's wife who sang the loudest in the church when she was most in depth. He commented on the boys who came back from college in fancy clothes. He told about the lawyer whose wife could never succeed in getting him to put on both a collar and a tie on the same day. He made them all alive. On that day, I came to know New Mullen better than I did the city and to love it better. But Bill didn't know about colleges and cities, but he had traveled around a lot of the country and had a lot of jobs. From his adventures, he had brought back a philosophy of simplicity and laughter. He strengthened me, sorry. So by his description of the people in that village, this lawyer, he came to know about the people and the village very well. He became friendly to that place, and he understood simplicity of philosophy of simplicity and laughter. Okay, so it strengthened the lawyer. We left the peaceful scene of meadows and woods and resumed our search for of Oliver Lutkins. We could not find him. At last, Bill cornered a friend of Lutkins and made him admit what he guessed. Oliver's gone out to his mother's farm 3 miles north. तो उसके बाद उन्होंने उसको ढूंढना वापस शुरू किया एंड they find Oliver's friend. So बिल ने क्या किया, बिल ने उसको धमकी दी और उसको पूछा कि वेयर इज ऑलिवर. सो ही एडमिटेड दैट ही गेस्ड, उसने गेस किया कि शायद ऑलिवर उसकी मम्मी के यहाँ पे गया है जो 3 miles नॉर्थ की तरफ है. ओके, वी ड्रो आउट देयर लेइंग प्लान्स. सो दे स्टार्टेड द जर्नी टूवर्ड्स ऑलिवर्स मदर्स हाउस and they started planning in what way they were supposed to deal with her. I know Oliver's mother, she is a terror, Bill sighed. Bill knew Oliver's mother. According to him, she was like a terror. डरावनी चीज़ है वो एक. I took a trunk out there for her once and she almost took my skin off because I didn't treat it like a box of eggs. So एक बार मैं वो बता रहा था, he started narrating his experience to him that वो एक बार वो ट्रंक निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा था उसकी मम्मी के लिए, हेल्प करने के लिए. तो उसकी मम्मी ने उसकी मार के उसकी स्किन ही उधेड़ दी, उसकी स्किन उधेड़ दी. क्यों? क्योंकि उसने उस ट्रंक को एक एग की बॉक्स की तरह, नाजुक थिंग की तरह ट्रीट नहीं किया. ओके, इसलिए उसने मुझे बहुत मारा. She is about 9 feet tall, 4 feet thick, and quick as cat, and she sure can talk. I will bet Oliver heard that somebody is chasing him, and he is gone on there to hide behind his mother's skirt. वो 9 फीट लंबी है, 4 फीट चौड़ी है और वो बिल्ली की तरह फुर्तीली है और मुझे पता है वो बोल भी सकती है. एंड ही श्योर दैट कि ऑलिवर को पता चल गया है कि कोई तो उसको ढूंढ रहा है, इसलिए वो अपनी मम्मी के यहाँ गया है उसके पल्लू के नीचे छुपने के लिए. Well, we'll try her, but you would better let me do it, boy. You may be great at literature and law, but you haven't had real training in swearing. तो ये सारा किस्सा तुम मुझ पे छोड़ दो, वहाँ पे जाके मैं डील करूँगा क्योंकि तुम बड़े किताबों कीड़े हो, तुमने बहुत सारा लिटरेचर और लॉ पढ़ा है, लेकिन इस चीज़ में डील करने के लिए मुझसे बेहतर इंसान कोई नहीं है. तुमको इसका बिल्कुल भी नॉलेज नहीं. We drove into a poor farmyard. We were faced by an enormous and cheerful old woman. My guide bravely went up to her and said, "Remember me? I am Bill Magnuson, the carter and hackman. I want to find your son Oliver." So जैसे ये बंदा वहाँ उस घर के वहाँ पे गए, वहाँ पे उन्होंने देखा एक cheerful old lady थी, वह उसके सामने खड़ा होके बोल रहा है, पता है मैं कौन हूँ? आई एम बिल मैग्नसन, द कार्टर एंड हैकमैन. आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड योर सन. मैं आपके बेटे को ढूंढने आया हूँ, ऑलिवर को ढूंढने आया हूँ. आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट ऑलिवर एंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू, शी शाउटेड. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है उसके बारे में और मुझे पता करना भी नहीं है अपने बेटे के बारे में. शी स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग. Now look here, we have had just about enough nonsense. This young man represents the court in the city and we have a legal right to search all properties for this Oliver Lutkins. तो सुनो, हम बहुत उसको ढूंढ के थक गए हैं. इसके नाम पे समन आया है कोर्ट से और उसकी प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, तो हमें ऑलिवर लटकिंस चाहिए. Bill made me sound very important and the woman was impressed. She retired into the kitchen and we followed. She seized an iron from the old-fashioned stove and marched on us shouting, "You search all you want to if you don't mind getting burnt first." She shouted and laughed at our frightened retreat. तो वो लेडी किचन के अंदर चली गई एंड ये दोनों बंदे भी उसके पीछे पीछे चले गए और किचन के अंदर जाते ही उसने एक आयरन यानी लोहा वो लेके आई बाहर और उनके पीछे पीछे दौड़ती हुई बोली, जो ढूंढना है ढूंढ लो, लेकिन ये याद रखना जला के मत लेना खुद को. शी वार्नड देम. और वो हंसने लगी. शी शाउटेड ऑल्सो एंड शी लाफ्ड ऑल्सो लुकिंग एट देयर फ्राइटेंड फेसेस. सो "Let's get out of here. She'll murder us," Bill whispered. Outside, he said, "Did you see her smile? She was laughing at us." So Bill बोला, चलो चलो यहाँ से खिसकते हैं, नहीं तो ये मार डालेगी हम लोगों को. एंड एज सुन एज दे वेंट आउटसाइड बिल सेड, डिड यू सी हर स्माइल? उसकी हंसी देखी, कैसे हंस रही थी. शी वॉज लाफिंग एट अस, हमारे ऊपर हंस रही थी बुरी तरह से. आई अग्रीड दैट इट वॉज प्रिटी डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल ट्रीटमेंट. वी डिड हाउएवर सर्च द हाउस सिंस इट वॉज ओनली 1 story high. Bill went round it, peering it at all the windows. We examined the barn and stable. We were reasonably certain that Lutkins was not there. तो उन्होंने घर पूरा छान मारा. बिल बाहर से ढूंढ रहा था, ये घर के अंदर से ढूंढ रहा था. दे सर्च इन दी बार्न मीन्स जहाँ पे एनिमल्स को रखते हैं, स्टेबल यानी घोड़े को जहाँ पे रखते हैं. एवरीथिंग दे सर्च, बट दे केम टू नो दैट Lutkins was not there. It was nearly time for me to catch the afternoon train and Bill drove me to the station. और इस बंदे का, इस वकील का जाने का टाइम हो गया. So Bill took him to the station. On the way to the city, I worried very little over my failure to find Lutkins. I was too busy thinking about Bill Magnuson. Really, I considered returning to New Mullen to practice law. If I had found Bill so deep and richly human, might I not grow to love Fritz and Gustav and 100 other slow-spoken, simple, wise neighbors? I pictured an honest and happy life beyond the strict limits of universities and law firms. I was excited. I had found a treasure. I had discovered a new way of life. While his return journey, he was not thinking about his failure because he didn't find Mr. Lutkins, but he was all thinking about Bill Magnuson, how kind person he was. So this lawyer decided to settle down in New Mullen. New Mullen में ही settle होने का उसने सोच लिया, and he decided to stay over there forever in his life to complete his law or whatever he was doing. To do it everything over there and to settle down in New Mullen. He had found a treasure. उसको एक खजाना मिल गया. कितने प्यारे लोग हैं वहाँ के, कितनी अच्छी तरह से बात करते हैं. मुझे वहाँ पे ही रहना है, मुझे नहीं इस सिटी में नहीं रहना, कोई यूनिवर्सिटी के स्ट्रिक्ट लिमिटेशंस में नहीं रहना है, मुझे किसी लॉ फर्म के लिए काम नहीं करना है, मुझे न्यू म्यूलियन में ही रहना है, मैं वहाँ पे ही सेटल हो रहा हूँ. सो ही वॉज प्लानिंग ऑल दोज थिंग्स टू सेटल डाउन इन न्यू म्यूलियन. बट इफ आई डिड नॉट थिंक मच अबाउट Lutkins, the office did. I found them all upset. Next morning, the case was coming up in the court and they had to have Lutkins. I was shameful, useless fool. मैं लटकिन्स का ना मिलना इग्नोर कर सकता था, बट ऑफिस के लोग नहीं इग्नोर कर सकते थे क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे उसी काम के लिए भेजा था. एंड द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग इट वॉज द केस विच Lutkins was supposed to be presented over there was coming up in the court and they had to have Lutkins and I was a shameful, useless fool according to them. The morning my promising legal career almost came to an end before it had begun. और नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग मेरा लीगल करियर ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो गया क्योंकि मैंने वो काम पूरा नहीं किया. द चीफ ऑलमोस्ट मर्डर्ड मी. ही हिंटेड दैट आई माइट डू वेल एट डिगिंग डिचेस. आई वॉज ऑर्डर्ड बैक टू न्यू म्यूलियन एंड with me went a man who had worked with Lutkins. I was rather sorry because it would prevent my lofting all over again with Bill. तो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग उसको वापस न्यू म्यूलियन भेज दिया गया, लेकिन इस बार वो अकेला नहीं गया, उसके साथ एक इंसान को भेजा जो कि Lutkins का दोस्त था. तो वो चले गए एंड ही वॉज ऑल थिंकिंग अबाउट कि मुझे वापस बिल को तकलीफ देनी पड़ेगी, उसको वापस घुमाना पड़ेगा एंड ऑल. When the train arrived at New Mullen, Bill was on the station platform near his cart. So जैसे वो स्टेशन पे पहुँचे तो उसने देखा कि बिल वहीं पे अपने कार्ट के बाजू में खड़ा था. Strangely enough, that old tigress means who? His mother, Lutkins' mother, old tigress, Lutkins' mother was there talking and laughing with Bill, not quarreling at all. उसने क्या देखा कि जो Lutkins की मम्मी है वो बिल के साथ, उस हैक ड्राइवर के साथ बड़े ही हंस के बातें कर रही है और ना ही वो झगड़ा कर रही है ना वो गुस्से में है. He found out that. From the train steps, I pointed Bill out to my companion and said, "There's a fine fellow, a real man. I spent the day with him." तो जो बंदा उसके साथ आया था जो कि Lutkins का दोस्त था, उसने लॉयर ने उसको बोला कि हाँ वो देखो वो बिल है और उसी के साथ मैंने पूरा दिन बिताया अपना कल और उसने मुझे बहुत ही हेल्प की. He helped you hunt for Oliver Lutkins? So the person, Lutkins' friends, he said, He helped you hunt for Oliver Lutkins. इसने मदद की तुम्हें Oliver Lutkins को help ढूंढने में. Yes, he helped a lot. He must have. He is Lutkins himself. क्यों वो हेल्प करेगा ही? क्योंकि वही लटकिंस है. बिल ही लटकिंस है. बिल वॉज हिमसेल्फ लटकिंस. What really hurt me was that when I served the summons, Lutkins and his mother laughed at me as though I were a bright boy of 7. तो जैसे ही उसने समन उसको दिया, उसके हाथ में थमा दिया, तो लटकिंस और उसकी माँ यानी बिल द हैक ड्राइवर, द लटकिंस, I'm calling Lutkins because they were searching Mr. Lutkins. So he and his mother, they started laughing at this lawyer as if he was a boy of 7 years of age. With loving kindness, they begged me to go with them to a neighbor's house for a cup of coffee. So दोनों ने हंस के बोला कि चलो हम हमारे पड़ोसी के यहाँ जाते हैं और कॉफ़ी पीते हैं. I told them about you and they are anxious to look at you, said Lutkins joyfully. They are about the only folks in the town that missed seeing you yesterday. So तो जो नेबर्स थे यानी कौन, वो दुकान वाले, फ्रिट्ज एंड गस्टॉफ एंड ग्रेज. तो चलो उनके पास चलते हैं. दे आर वेरी एंशियस फॉर टू मीट यू एंड दिस थिंग लटकिंस joyfully told him. So this is how the story comes to an end. That means this lawyer, he was supposed to find Lutkins, and the person with whom he was roaming in the village to search to find Lutkins, he himself was Lutkins. And Mr. Lutkins, as usual, he had made fool of this lawyer. इस lawyer को उस बिल ने, हैक ड्राइवर ने, लटकिंस ने फूल बना दिया, बुद्धू बना दिया. और दूसरे दिन उसको पता चल गया कि वो खुद बुद्धू बन गया है, कि जिसको ढूंढने के लिए वो जिसके साथ घूम रहा है वही लटकिंस है. Understood? So this is a humorous story, the hack driver. I hope you have understood. Please go through both the videos, note down the difficult words along with the meanings in the notebook, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section and start learning the question answers of this chapter, this lesson from the refresher. Go through the summary as well from the refresher. Until then, bye. Thank you.